In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you two possible ways on how you can simply open and exit full screen on a Mac. Just make sure to watch the full video. Let me walk you through on how to do it. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. This is my home screen desktop. So I'm going to show you on how you can simply open full screen and also exit full screen. So let me just try to open my Google Chrome and show you. This is my Google Chrome. There are two ways on how I can simply open this Google Chrome as full screen. All right, because if I click on this green option here, and it will simply take me to full screen just like this. I can exit the full screen by simply clicking here. Simple and easy. All right, let me show you again the fastest way on how you can simply open full screen and also exit full screen. So if you press Control Command and F, it will simply take you to full screen. For example, Control Command F, it will take me to full screen. And again, if I want to exit full screen, all I need to do is to press Control Command and the letter F. All right, so this is the easiest way you can simply open and exit full screen. All right, so you can try it. It's a cool feature. So if you have any question or difficulty about it, just feel free to let me know. That is all about the video, guys. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing on this channel and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new posts. See you on my next video. Peace.